Expressive display type. Letterforms are treated as art, stretching and distorting to become a bold focal point. This image visualizes an abstract typography sculpture where the word "create" stretches and twists like a piece of conceptual art. Kinetic typography. Type is moving away from static forms and adapting to motion and interactive environments. This image captures the horizontal progression of the word future in dynamic motion across 5 distinct digital screens. Hyper-variable fonts. These fonts adapt to different formats seamlessly, from UI elements to animated graphics. This image shows a cohesive collection of devices: watch, phone, tablet, and transparent display, where the word "adapt" perfectly scales and changes weight using a single flexible font file. 3D and depth effects, adding dimension to text for a more immersive feel. This monumental desert installation features massive, raw concrete blocks that spell depth, emphasizing extreme physical relief and dramatic shadow. Retrofuturism. A blend of past aesthetics with futuristic visions, often seen in tech and gaming. Inside a cyberpunk room, a vintage 80s arcade cabinet displays vibrant, glowing neon vector graphics, spelling retro future. Ultra-minimal, grid-driven systems. A focus on strict alignment and clean structures. This graphic poster features centered text, structure, meticulously organized within a visible system of precise technical measurement lines and grid coordinates. Funky, curvy serifs. A modern take on 70s aesthetics, offering a bouncy, confident look. A tactile vinyl album cover features the word "groovy" in a bouncy, bulbous serif font with a velvet texture, set against a nostalgic 70s sunburst. Novel italics. Italics used as a primary stylistic choice rather than just for emphasis, adding a liquid character. On an iridescent curved screen, the word "flow" is rendered in a radical italic font, where the letters have a fluid, horizontal streaming character. Quiet sans serifs. Elegant and minimalist sans serifs that serve as a subtle background element. Inside a minimalist gallery, the word "silence" is subtly debossed directly into the concrete wall, acting as an integrated element of the quiet space. Italiano typography, inspired by vintage Italian glamour and the Dolce Vita charm. A sun-drenched retro travel poster featuring the word Italiano in a dramatic, elegant, high-contrast serif, complete with a Vespa and Mediterranean views. Cutting-edge letterforms. Sharp, angular, and sometimes confrontational designs. A high-contrast graphic poster against charcoal texture features the word "sharp" in an aggressive custom typeface composed of weaponized, jagged angles and razor edges. Type as graphic typography that doubles as the main visual artwork in a composition. Inside a gallery, a complex geometric sculptural cloud hanging from the ceiling is constructed entirely from large interlocking dimensional letters made of matte black and brass. Cute and cozy fonts. Soft, friendly styles that are particularly popular with younger demographics like Gen Z. A warm close-up of ceramic mugs and a candle featuring soft bubble letter fonts. Cozy vibes in warm afternoon sunlight with a chunky knit blanket. Chaotic scripts. Messy, anti-design handwriting that challenges traditional norms. A gritty urban wall covered in layered posters is dominated by raw, illegible, aggressive handwriting scrawled in black marker and white paint, spelling "no rules." Typographic distortion. Warped, stretched, or asymmetric letters that communicate a rebellious spirit. A raw textile artwork, screen printed on canvas, shows the word "rebel" in a bold font that is intensely warped and pulled asymmetric by physical force. 90s nostalgia, reviving the bold visual culture and tech boom aesthetics of the 1990s. Organic letter forms, hand-drawn styles with uneven contours that reflect nature and authenticity. A field sketchbook page features a delicate fern illustration integrated with the title Natura, written in a raw, hand-drawn script with roots-like uneven contours. Serif revival. A strong return of elegant serif fonts, especially favored by luxury brands. A close-up of a luxurious navy blue watch box features the brand Aurum, rendered in an elegant, sophisticated modern serif font, debossed in polished gold leaf. Monospaced fonts. The technical, structured look of coding fonts is being used for brands outside the tech space. The sleek black exterior of a minimalist coffee roaster features the artisanal brand name Code & Bean, precisely laser-etched in a technical, structured, monospaced font. Typography with a narrative. Fonts that are intentionally chosen to tell a brand's story alongside its visual elements. A bespoke mezcal label uses a mix of rugged serif, technical monospace, and humble script fonts on textured agave paper to visually separate the sourcing and heritage story of raíces.